2 dozen shorts for you can count from 1 to 9. She can. I can scoop up a great big dipper, a log from the drippings can. Throw in the skillet, go out and do my shopping, be back or it melts in the pan, 'cause I'm a woman. W-O-M-A-N. I'll say it again. Hey, I can rub and scrub this old house until it's shining like a dime. That's right. Feed my baby, grease the car, and powder my face at the same time.